In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sidebar navigation in Google Sites. By the end, you'll have a clean, easy-to-use menu running down the side of your site, which helps visitors find content faster, especially if you have lots of pages or sections. Start by opening the Google site you want to edit. Make sure you're in editing mode, not just viewing the published version. In the top right, click the gear icon to open settings, then choose navigation. This is where you control how your site's menu behaves. In the navigation settings, switch the layout from top navigation to sidebar navigation. As soon as you select sidebar, your site's pages will appear in a collapsible panel along the side. This layout is great for longer sites because it keeps the main header clean and gives your audience a consistent place to find links. On smaller screens, the sidebar tucks into a menu icon, so your navigation stays usable on phones and tablets. Next, organize the items that appear in that sidebar. Use the Pages panel on the right side of the editor to add new pages or adjust the structure. Drag pages up or down to reorder them. This order is what the sidebar will use. If you want sections, drag one page slightly under another to create a subpage. Subpages appear as expandable items in the sidebar, which is perfect for grouping related content. Keep page titles short and clear so they fit neatly and are easy to scan. If there are pages you don't want in the menu, you can hide them from navigation using the page options. They'll still exist, but they won't clutter your sidebar. When you're happy with the layout, click Done in the navigation settings to lock in your changes. This ensures your sidebar choice and any options you adjusted are saved within the site editor. Finally, publish your site so visitors can see the updated navigation. Click Publish in the top right. If this is your first time publishing, you'll confirm a web address and visibility preferences. If you've published before, this simply updates the live site with your new sidebar and page order. After publishing, visit your live site and try the menu on both desktop and mobile to confirm everything expands, collapses, and links correctly. That's it. You opened the navigation settings, switched to a sidebar layout, organized your pages, saved the changes, and published. With that, your Google site now has a clear, user-friendly sidebar that guides visitors exactly where they need to go.